Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2010 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: daytime running lights, remote engine start, power brakes, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, child seat anchors, power steering, one-touch windows. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.